Hi, I'm Jessie.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're the Lisa Abbott team. And in this video, we are going to tell you 3 easy ways to repair your credit when you're considering purchasing a house. But before we get into that, if you'd like to stay up to date on local, Oshawa, and Durham region real estate, please subscribe to our channel.
And hit that notification button so you will not miss out on any of our videos. And click on that like button so that it helps others see our channel. So if somebody has poor, bruised, or no credit, it can be really difficult to get financing. And oftentimes, no credit will be looked at worse than bad credit.
A simple rule to help someone start building or repairing their credit is the 2-2-2 rule. The first 2 is 2 trades, so 2 major credit cards like MasterCard, Visa, or Amex.
So make sure you're paying these cards on time. So if they're behind, you want to bring them up to date. And you want to make sure that you're setting up either an automatic withdrawal or some sort of reminder that you're making sure that these payments are being made on time every month. The second 2 is a minimum of $2,000 credit limit on these cards.
It's important to think about your credit utilization ratio. So what does that mean? It's basically the amount of credit you have available versus how much what your balance actually is. So experts recommend usually about 30%. You certainly don't want to see your cards maxed out or close to maxed out, and neither do creditors. Now, you can reduce your credit utilization ratio by paying off credit card debt, by keeping balances low, and by being cautious when closing accounts, because that'll ultimately reduce how much credit is available to you. And the final 2 is 2 years worth of trades. So a good history of you using those credit cards and paying them off regularly.
So you need to be careful with new credit. Opening new credit cards or even just applying for new credit cards can affect your credit score.
Increasing the amount of credit you have available to you could improve your credit utilization ratio, but only if you have the self-discipline to pay those off on time.
Every credit card application that you make is a hard inquiry on your credit score. And if you have a lot of these hard inquiries in a short amount of time, this will negatively affect your credit score.
A lender may also interpret those inquiries back to back like that as you trying to, overextend yourself or live beyond your means, and will usually be more hesitant to lend to you.
So we wanted to leave you with one final tip. What usually surprises people is the effect of their cell phone bills.
Yeah, so cell phone companies actually will do credit checks or hard inquiries on their customers as well when you go to sign up with them.
So once you do have a cell phone, make sure you're paying those bills on time. Now, paying it on time will not necessarily build your credit, but certainly if you don't make a payment on it, it will negatively affect your credit score.
And it's one of those things that, is the first bill to forget about, but it can be one of the most damaging if you forget about it. If you need more specific help tailored to you, you can always consult a credit counselor or a financial advisor, and they will be able to help you with a strategy as well. But we hope you found the 2-2-2 rule helpful, and it will certainly help to rebuild or repair credit.
So if you have any questions about this or any other real estate questions at all that we might be able to help you with, please click on the Calendly link below and schedule a call, and we'd love to hear from you. Take care. Have a great day.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.